Imagine a world where cars don't roar or growl, they hum, they glide, they breathe. The 2027 Citroën Utopia isn't just a vehicle. It's a declaration of peace on four wheels. In a market obsessed with aggressive styling and artificial muscle, Citroën had the audacity to ask, what if we designed a car for calm? The Utopia arrives in solar mist beige, a soft, satin-finished tone that changes subtly with the sky. At dawn, it looks warm and peachy. At dusk, it cools into a pale champagne. The entire surface is matte and tactile, like the shell of a sanded river stone. This isn't a car you just look at, it's one you feel. From the front, the Utopia is unmistakably Citroën, but reinterpreted for the age of serenity. The brand's signature chevrons are embedded under a translucent crystal band, which lights up in gentle pulses instead of blinking. The headlights are minimalist, tiny linear slits nestled in organic cutouts, designed more to guide than to dazzle. There's no grille, of course, just a seamless flow of bodywork that curves like fabric caught in slow motion. The hood doesn't end, it melts into the windshield, which in turn curves over the roof and all the way to the rear spoiler in a single, unbroken gesture of glass. Think, spaceship meets sculpture. From the side, the Utopia is a study in soft geometry. The beltline flows like a ribbon, gently rising toward the rear. The doors are massive, sliding open with a whisper, both front and rear panels gliding backward simultaneously, revealing a wide, pillarless entry. Welcome to the lounge. Wheels? 21-inch eco-hybrids with flexible sidewalls and embedded shock absorbers. Citroën calls them air shoes. They look like woven baskets from a distance, but on closer inspection, you'll notice tiny motion-adaptive vanes that open or close to assist with airflow and cooling. The rear of the Utopia might be its most poetic angle. A single LED strip spans the width, softly glowing with amber tones. There's a retractable diffuser beneath, but it's hidden until needed. Even the brake light sequence is calming, no flashes, no aggression. Just a smooth fade, like a breath being exhaled. And yes, there's a built-in aromatherapy system in the taillights that activates when you park near trees or natural landscapes. The Utopia doesn't just avoid disturbing the environment, it harmonizes with it. Step inside, and you're no longer in a car. You're in a meditative capsule. The interior is a blend of recycled cork, soft woven hemp, translucent plastics, and ethically sourced suede-like materials. No chrome, no harsh textures. Every surface invites touch. The dashboard is a horizontal screenless plane, with a central strip of responsive fabric that acts as both display and control. You slide, tap, press, and the woven material responds with haptic pulses and projected light. It's like using a touch screen made of fog and rhythm. Instead of a traditional steering wheel, there's an oval-shaped control ring that retracts when autonomous mode is engaged. And yes, this car is level 4 self-driving, meaning it can handle city traffic, highways, even complex interchanges, all without intervention. The seats? Floating cocoons. Suspended from the chassis on magnetic mounts, they adjust with your body's pressure and breathing pattern. The rear bench isn't a bench. It's a chaise long, curved and reclining, designed for two people to lie side by side while watching the stars through the panoramic roof. Mood lighting is adaptive, not just based on driving mode, but your heart rate. If you're tense, the car notices and begins to shift toward cooler tones, lowers ambient noise, and even plays binaural sounds to help calm your mind. Yes, the Citroën Utopia cares about your nervous system. The air? Purified, humidified, ionized. A full wellness loop system ensures you're breathing cleaner air inside the car than outside. There are even optional atmosphere capsules that can infuse the cabin with the scent of lavender fields, sea salt, or fresh mountain air, depending on your destination or mood. Underneath all this then, a dual-motor electric platform delivering a respectable 420 horsepower, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.9 seconds. But the point isn't speed, it's smoothness. Acceleration is seamless, like wind catching a sail. You don't feel pushed, you feel invited. And it's quiet, not eerily so. Citroën engineers tuned the cabin's acoustics to allow a soft, continuous harmonic hum, inspired by the key of D minor, supposedly the most calming tonal bass in music. If you've ever meditated with sound bowls, you'll know what we mean. The Utopia isn't trying to impress. It's trying to heal. It's the first car that might lower your blood pressure instead of raising it. And that's radical. Citroën knows not everyone will get it. That's fine. The Utopia isn't for everyone. It's for those who crave quiet in a world of noise. who see the future not as a race, but a retreat, who want to move, but don't want to rush. If that's you, then welcome home. If you felt your heart slow down during this video, hit that like. Subscribe for more vehicles that challenge what cars should be. And let us know, where would you drive the Utopia first, a mountaintop retreat, or the edge of the sea? Next up, we're going to the very edge of physics. Koenigsegg Infinity. The name alone suggests what it's capable of. Get ready.